OneDrive is a very helpful tool that we will want to not only use but only use this year and all years at Mercy McCauley High School. It's kind of the equivalent of a Google Drive if you're familiar with that. It automatically saves what you're working on as long as you've stored it in your OneDrive. So to access OneDrive, we're going to open up Google Chrome, and then we're going to go to OneDrive Login. And the first one right here is a sign-in for OneDrive, so we're going to select that. Make our window a little larger here. You're going to sign in with your email, which is your last name. I'll use mine for example. Your first initial, your middle initial, at mercymccauley.org. Now my actual email address does not have my middle initial, but make sure you use yours because everyone in the class of 2025 needs that. Next, you'll enter that password that you just changed to when you updated your password right before watching this video. So you're going to enter that password and click Sign In. Now, your OneDrive will not look the same as mine because my OneDrive account has been used for quite a while and it has a lot of files in it. Yours will say you have no files right here. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new folder for you. It's best to have one folder for all 4 years of your time at Mercy McCauley High School. Today we just need to create one called Freshman Year. As you can see, I've already created that, but I will show you how I did it. Click on the New button right here and then select Folder and then simply type Freshman Year and then Create. Again, I'm not going to actually create it because I already have it right here. So once you have that folder created, left click on it to open it up and we can create some folders inside. Again, mine already has one document inside because we've created something, but yours probably is blank because you just created it. So click on New, and you might want to create a new folder for computer literacy because we know that's a class that you're going to be taking this year. You might also want to create one for your English class because every freshman will be taking an English class. You might also want to create a folder for math or algebra 1, unless you're taking geometry or algebra 2, and so on. You can create as many folders as you need. You could even create a folder that's used for miscellaneous items or a folder for extracurricular items. That's perfectly acceptable as well. You can create folders anytime during the year. The important thing is being able to use your OneDrive folders and access them. So I'm going to minimize this now, and I'm going to go down to my File Explorer at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to open that up, and you'll notice you should have a file now right here that says OneDrive, Mercy McCauley High School. If you click on it, you should see your folder that says Freshman Year. And then if you click on it again, you should see the folders that you created inside. Notice beneath this, there's the directory for the PC. We do not want to be saving things down here. Try to avoid that at all costs. If you save it in the OneDrive, you can access it from any computer as long as you have your online login information.